Right now have many phone case box, earphone box, tissue box, shoe box, all kinds of different paper sample or the box sample. We need the sticker put on top of the paper product. So this one is our double-sided system and double-sided machine. We not use the bad material, we not use the second-hand product, second-hand spare part. We want to make sure when the machine's high speed running also is stable. So not worry about the quality. This one is our double-sided machine. And what about the hot melt glue or the hot melt glue on here? Okay, so this hot melt glue system, and we have the two versions. You can buy this one 6-liter tank. 6-liter tank, after you put the hot glue on the end of the machine, and then you can start to let the temperature get higher, 170 degrees centigrade. And also the two hot melt glue gun system, the hot glue gun on here we already testing, and we will deliver it to the customer tomorrow. Here is our touch screen. The touch screen can setting a lot of different data about the function, about the speed, about where you want to let the hot glue put on top of your product, and you can setting the round point size, let the hot glue come out, or the straight line size, let the hot glue come out. Also, you can set it on the touch screen. Here is the curl glue gun system. Many people they prefer use the curl glue gun system. The reason is the cost price lower, and curl glue gun system can use on many different machines. Also, is no problem. The curl glue gun system, the function is same like the hot melt glue system, but the different thing is this one curl glue system we can control 6 guns. But the hot melt glue system only can control 4 guns. Not worry about the inside temperature, because I can feel have the fan inside, so can let the hot temperature come out and let inside temperature going down. This one is our curl glue spray gun system. The curl glue spray gun system we already installed many years, so we have the experience. This is the curl glue system can install on the frozen glue box machine, double-sided machine, burger box machine.